Hi, my name is Sam Kirby, and this is my final discussion screencast for my final interactive module. And for my final interactive module, I picked Practicing Health and Wellness for 10th grade sophomores. So on the main stream page here, I have the day one announcement that I made for the first day of online school for the students here so they could see what to do. And then on the classwork button up here, the students will be able to see all the topics on the left-hand side and then scroll down to see all the topics and what is in those topics. And I think this is my favorite part of the IM, so it's a lot more organized for the students to see what's inside all of these tabs and what tabs are on the screen as well. So say there's a lot of tabs on here, which on mine there isn't, but if a teacher has multiple tabs here, a student can click on one and all the assignments under that tab are in detail on here, which is super nice for the students. And then the people tab, it just shows who the teacher is, which is myself and all the students underneath in the classroom. And then for the grades, it shows all the grades that the students have on here, whether they're missing, whether they have it done, and how many points they earned out of all of it. Now, mine looks a tiny bit different than what a student's view is, but mainly this is what a student's view will be, except they won't have the grades and they won't have the same setting areas as me, but that's okay. But this is my final interactive module for EDCI 270. Thank you.